Hi everyone, good evening.
Good evening, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am.
Yeah, for the students to join first. Okay, let's begin. I hope you all have done the homework, assertion, reason, and comprehension. Who has not done, please tell me in the chat personally. If anyone was not able to do the homework, please tell me.
Ma'am, I was not able to do.
And please turn on your cameras, everyone. Okay. Okay, Adrit. Rohini also. Fine. Turn on your cameras, everyone, quickly. Aishwarya, Rohini, Siddhant, and Sransh.
Ma'am, my camera is not working. I'm actually outside, so when I reach, can I on?
Yeah. Siddhant and Sriyansh waiting for you too. Let's start doing the homework only. Read all the options for assertion and reason. We have done it earlier many times, so I hope you know this already. So begin with the first one.
Ma'am, should we type the answers in the chat?
Yeah. Blasphemy can be prevented by applying the coat of pains on surface. Cuts of contact of iron. Only two, Rohini and Aishwarya. Out of 8, only 2.
Ma'am, 1 minute more.
Okay, Richard. Fine. 6 responses, 2 are left. So yes, it's absolutely true that rusting can be prevented by applying coat of paint because paint cuts off means it acts as a layer or barrier between the iron and iron with water and air. Okay, so A option is correct. Second, cutting off paper into very small pieces is irreversible change. Physical changes are always reversible. Correct. Because we cannot drawing the paper back in the same way, despite we can do that with a Fevikwik or some pasting material, but otherwise not. And physical changes are not always reversible. Good. Third, carbon dioxide is evolved when vinegar is added to baking soda. Carbon dioxide turns a solution of lime water milky. Okay, third, Rashid correct, Rohini correct, Adrit correct. More students. Sritij and Aishwarya incorrect. If carbon dioxide is evolved when vinegar is added to baking soda, what is the point that means how it is the reason that carbon dioxide turns it milky? That is just the reaction between vinegar and baking soda. Lime water turning milky is another case, another independent case. So B means both are correct, but this reason is not the correct explanation. Fourth, freezing of water to ice is a physical change. A physical change involves a change in state. Fourth, write down quick. I was expecting that, at least these simple questions all will be putting up in chat that I'll not be able to see everybody's answer and they will go scroll up and up and up. But my chat of the screen is stable. It is still. If three has answered, only three has only answered. Come up, everyone. Good. Rohini, Sriyansh, correct. Fourth, those who have answered till now, all are correct. Okay, Ashwarya. Good. Come on, class 7, please answer. So yes, it will be A only. Both are true, and physical change involves a change in state. See the fifth one also? Okay, Adrit. Correct, 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 all correct.
Mom, 1 minute, ma'am. My screen got blurred.
Hmm. Hmm. Sutej, Rohini, Rishit, incorrect. Okay, start telling me verbally, not in chat now. Fifth answer. Tell me what is answer. Kshitij, why you think B?
Mom, because they're just identifying what is the physical change and what is the chemical change in the burning of candle.
So you think this is wrong?
Mom, I don't know, Mom. I'm thinking it's A or B.
Yes, ma'am, I'm also thinking option A.
I cannot hear you properly. Anyone else? What do you think will be the answer of fifth?
Ma'am, A.
Others, you tell? Others, you tell?
Ma'am, A.
Hmm. Adrit, are you listening?
I'm
Fifth,
saying A.
Adrit, can you hear me?
Ma'am, the reason is correct, no?
Reason is correct. Yes.
It's A.
A, fine. Six. Ash produced by burning of magnesium when dissolved in water turns red litmus blue. And on dissolving in water, magnesium oxide forms magnesium hydroxide, which is acidic in nature.
Ma'am, should we
Cool.
put the answer in chat or should we separate?
Wait, Aishwarya, you tell for six.
Ma'am,
Hmm.
so ma'am, when it is dissolved in water, it turns red. So I think both are correct and reason is explanation of assertion.
Okay. Pritesh, what do you think about six?
Ma'am, I think assertion is correct and reason is false because magnesium hydroxide is basic in nature. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Okay, hi, I can hear you. So you mean ash produced by burning of magnesium. What product is obtained when magnesium is burned?
Ma'am, when magnesium is burned, magnesium oxide, but when it's mixed with water, it's magnesium hydroxide. Ma'am, but magnesium hydroxide is a base, not acid.
Yes, ma'am. I'm sure it's true.
Ma'am, so it's option
Option
C.
C.
Ma'am, it's option C. Assertion is correct and reason is false.
So a magnesium oxide is a base. You mean so that's why assertion is true, right? And reason on dissolving in water, it forms definitely it forms magnesium
Yes, ma'am.
hydroxide. Magnesium hydroxide is acidic in nature.
No, ma'am, it is basic in nature. That's why it's
It is
false.
basic in nature. Yes. So if you want to note this point, you all can note that I'm writing the
Ma'am,
hmm,
like in the assertion, the ash produced by the burning of magnesium is magnesium oxide. But when it is dissolved in water, the red litmus turns blue. Is it correct?
Siddhant. Could you speak again, please?
I'm like, can magnesium oxide turn blue in red litmus paper?
Dear, this is basic in nature. So all the basic things turn red litmus blue, and blue will be blue.
Okay, ma'am.
And second equation is if MgO is added to water, it forms magnesium hydroxide. You can write this equation as well. Seven. No new substance is formed when water is heated to get steam. Conversion of water to steam is a physical change. Hmm. Savik, you tell 7. And please, everyone, be little quick. 7. Ashwath. Ashwath. May I know that why don't you people even unmute yourself?
Hello, ma'am. Can you hear me?
Yes, now.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me
Ma'am,
the answer for
seventh
7.
one.
Yes.
Ma'am, A1. Both
What?
answers and
Correct. 8. Rohini. Corrosion of iron is commonly known as rusting. Corrosion
Ma'am,
of iron occurs in presence of water and air.
both are false.
Both are true.
Oh yeah, yes, ma'am. I was
Both are
thinking,
false.
ma'am, both are true, and reason is the correct explanation.
Wait. Priyansh.
Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Ma'am,
Question. A and R is the correct. Is the correct. A both are true and R is the correct explanation.
Okay. So corrosion of iron occurs in presence of water and air. That's why it is known as rusting. What do others think? Fine. Go for 9. Siddhant.
Yes, ma'am.
Following reaction describes the rusting of iron and is a redox reaction. First, see
Ma'am,
that
I
is it a
feel
redox reaction or not? The metallic
uh,
iron.
ma'am, I feel the assumption is correct. Ma'am, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you. Assertion is correct and reason.
Ma'am, reason is also correct.
Explanation.
Ma'am, I feel, ma'am, the answer is both assertion and reason are true, and the reason is the correct explanation of assertion.
So something new which you people are not aware of is present in this question, 9th question. We have learned that oxidation reaction means whenever any element or substance gains oxygen, and reduction means when any substance loses oxygen. So on the basis of the presence of addition or reduction of oxygen, we decide whether it is a oxidation or reduction reaction. If any reaction has both in single reaction, then it is termed as redox. Okay. Now what is happening here? Not only on the basis of oxygen, but we can also decide on the basis of hydrogen and gain or lose of electrons. Okay. So I'm just telling you, although again it's the question of a level of class 9 or 10, but still you can note down if you want to. Like Fe3 plus, plus sign means that iron has lose the oxygen. and has lost the lost number of electrons. How many? 3, because 3 plus. Plus means something which has lost. So 3 electrons lose, and lose of oxygen has 2 negative. Negative symbol means gain. So oxygen has gain 2 electron, and gain means reduction. Okay, you can write down if you want to. Here 2 electrons are gained by oxygen, and 3 electrons have been losing. 3 loss of electrons. So yes, metallic ion is oxidized to Fe3+. Okay. 8. 10. If you want to write down, please do, else because I'll scroll up, so this annotation will get disturbed. Tell me once it's done. Children, is it done?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me what you think about 10.
Ma'am, can you scroll down a bit?
sharing the screen. Can you see the shared screen? Children, can you all see the shared screen? Please confirm.
Yes, ma'am.
So what do you think about 10? Tell me quickly. Hmm. Okay, Rohini.
Ma'am, I forgot which question.
10. This one.
Ma'am, I actually by mistake clicked. I think the reason is false.
But do you think that decomposition can be carried out by giving energy in the form of heat, light, and electricity?
But how come light?
Yeah, that's what I'm asking. Do you think that if any reaction just gives us heat, light, like suppose, that in that case, we can say that incandescent bulb is undergoing a chemical reaction because it gets heated up also and it gives us light also, isn't it? Through its filament. So do you think that will be counted as a product obtained? Is that a product? So I feel reason is not, the statement of reason is not correct. We need proper product for it. Okay. Now I give you the passages although. But let's solve few. Okay. Start doing very short answer type question. And write just in the chat, write one and answer. Means don't write the answer individually, write the number of question also. Very short answer type question. Please start sharing the answers quickly. I'm waiting for this one now. First. Process of depositing a layer of zinc on iron core. Good, great. Keep going. Keep going. Tell me quickly. Only Sritij and Aishwarya answer. Fine, Rohini, Sriyansh, and Adrit. So this process is called galvanization. Second, why does stainless steel not rust? Waiting for second. Okay, Rohini, good. Who can tell me verbally why stainless steel does not rust? Come on, tell me. Rohini, tell the answer to everyone.
Ma'am, like in the making of it, iron is mixed with other metals.
it forms protective layer from oxygen and carbon dioxide. What acts as the protective layer, Aishwarya?
The chromium, I think.
Hmm?
The chromium.
Not getting your point.
The chromium forms a protective layer from oxygen and water vapor. It reacts.
Did you say chromium?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Fine, it is mixed with other metals, and carbon is also its part. So carbon is not that reactive as oxygen, okay, which protects it. Means if it is not prone to reaction with other materials like action of moisture, air, different gases, then the stainless steel is safe. Which gas turns lime water milky? Very good. Good, Sritej, correct answer. This everybody knows, CO2. Can rusting take place in dry air? Waiting for fourth answer. Can rusting take place in dry air, or it only needs moist air? Okay, good, Siddhant. Fine, Sritej and Sriyansh. No, it needs moist air to get rust. What type of changes digestion of food? Okay, only Aishwarya.
Ma'am, I said my
Type
answer.
of changes digestion. Very simple. Everybody knows it's a chemical change. Name one alloy of iron which does not get rusted. Chromium is an alloy of iron. Stainless steel means where the major component is iron, and with it we add some other and minor quantities. The major quantity is iron only. That's the question is asking us. So stainless steel. What is the name given to the reaction in which everybody knows this again? Tell me.
Ma'am, you missed the seventh one.
Oh, sorry. Burning of magnesium wire is which type of change? Great. Name given to reaction in which blue color of copper sulfate turns green with iron. Because iron displaces copper, so displacement reaction. What is chemical reaction? I hope everybody knows this answer. Change in which no new substance is formed is
Physical change.
Does anyone want to note anything or should I raise? I'm erasing it off. Eleven. Name the process through which solid crystals of pure substance are obtained from their saturated solutions. Questions are repeated but asked in a different manner. Okay, good, receiving answers. Name a change in which a new substance is formed. Quickly. Chemical. Is crystallization an irreversible reaction? Is crystallization an irreversible reaction? Ritesh, how it is reversible? Oh, sorry, I asked wrong. How it is irreversible?
Ma'am, because we obtain a pure substance.
Ma'am, we can dissolve it in water.
Yes. So it is a reversible reaction. Give an example in which both physical and chemical changes are taking place. Okay. Example in which both take place. Burning of candle, good example. Composition of the alloy called bronze, right? The composition of the alloy, which is called bronze. Bronze is a combination of, anybody knows? It's a combination of copper,
Plus
Copper.
plus tin.
copper and zinc. What if we add copper and zinc? It forms brass. You can write this composition also. Brass materials are obtained from mixing copper and zinc. Okay. Now go through the whole worksheet, in fact, with short answer and long answer types also, and prepare well for the test. Okay, children. Bye-bye. See you soon.
Thank you.